This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the shock absorbers in pairs. Never replace just one of them on one side of the vehicle. Block the wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Support the lower rear suspension arm with a floor jack placed under the coil spring pocket. Warning: the jack must remain in this position until the shock absorber is reinstalled. Loosen the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Then remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolt. Completely remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and nut, then remove the shock absorber. Install the new rear shock absorber, starting with the lower mounting bolt and nut. Install the shock upper mounting bolt. Raise the lower suspension arm with a floor jack to simulate normal ride height. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to 50 foot-pounds. Tighten the lower mounting bolt and nut to 92 foot-pounds. Remove the floor jack from the suspension arm. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Then lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds.